This is Cooking with Kenneth, and we are making chicken wings today, right?
Right.
Now waiting.
No, go ahead. We're going to start making them. We're going to put them in the basket.
So we're going to put these chicken wings
You gotta coat
inside
it.
the egg with water.
Coat it all.
And then we're going to put it in this batter with garlic salt in it.
Yeah. And we want to cover that all up. Right?
Yep. And then put it in the fire.
We're not going to be able to do them all like this because we're not going to have enough flour. So you added garlic to the batter.
Yep. And
garlic,
1/4
garlic salt.
Yep. And 1/4 cup to the butter. This
water
egg.
to the egg, right?
Yep.
Okay, we got a basket that's just about full right now.
Okay. We'll keep coating it. Coat a couple.
Oh, it's not going to be ready. Just leave it alone for now.
We'll just soak them.
Gotta wait for the buzzer to go off. And when the buzzer goes off,
It goes ding, and
yeah,
we'll
it goes
put
ding.
some of those on a plate. Cooking with Kenneth for the chicken wings. Now we are doing the saucing while the chicken wings are cooking. So, first, we're gonna add some hot sauce. Louisiana, the perfect hot sauce. The original. Okay, we just got a lot of this. Doesn't matter how much you want. Depends how much you want. You can also add butter, some melted butter. How much butter?
Not much.
Doesn't matter. It's not a lot. This enough? Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay. After you add that, you want to add a little bit of mustard. So the French's yellow mustard. I say that's good.
Get a spoon out or a fork to whisk
Then
it.
you need a spoon to stir it with,
Get a fork to whisk it.
or it's called mix that up.
A little bit of vinegar.
A little bit of vinegar in
Very
it.
much so. You gotta be careful.
Not a lot. You want to make sure you're careful with this.
Yo, whoop, whoop.
I may have added a little much. Then you want to stir that.
That goes only after.
Then,
If
if somebody wants the sauce to be a little hotter, you can add some Tabasco. So I'm gonna first taste the sauce to make sure how hot it is. It's not hot enough. Gotta add a little more.
So you do everything like this.
Do everything by taste. Now that's hot. So after all the wings are fried, put the wings in your bowl and then you stir them up. Make sure they're good enough. Then you take them out, put them on a gigantic platter, and people can grab it. And sometimes if you have extra sauce, you can use it and use it as extra. So yeah, you follow these steps, you'll have good chicken wings.
Kenneth,
We are doing the unwrapping of the chicken wings. This is what they look like when they come out. Yep. We will show you the saucing when commercial comes back. Okay, so now here's the saucing. So here's the plain ones, which will have no sauce on them, and this is it. So this is how you sauce them. You can sometimes drizzle it. You put it like a spoonful, and then you just drizzle it on until you want it ready. Or you can do this. Take a plain one, you put it in the sauce, and you rub it around. Whatever you choose. Depends if you want it soaked or just lightly drizzled on. So, yeah. Now you enjoy your chicken wings. So, if you follow all the steps I did with this video, you will have perfect chicken wings. Also, if you don't want them as hot, you don't have to do all of the sauces I made. And you can also try whatever you want with the sauces. It doesn't really matter. So, tune in next episode.